Ram trucks are built for rugged performance. These beasts can handle whatever terrain you throw at them. It also helps that they're easy on the eye, which, let's face it, is a major motivator when it comes to buying a car. That said, it's not every day you use your truck off-road. Most of the time, you'll use it for ordinary things like school runs, grocery shopping, and driving to and fro between your home and job site. Enter the new Ram with RamBox. Chrysler decided to incorporate a nifty storage management system dubbed RamBox to transport gear, equipment, groceries, etc. in a convenient, more organized way. The new body has two compartmentalized units built on either side of the main truck bed. A conventional pickup truck bed won't work with this new model. You need to get the best tonneau cover for RamBox, tailored to fit the now smaller surface area of the pickup bed. We have listed the top 5 tonneau covers for RamBox and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. EXTANG TRIFECTA 2.0 Tonneau Cover. The best tonneau truck bed cover for a Dodge Ram truck with RamBox has to be the EXTANG TRIFECTA 2.0. This soft folding leather grain cover measures 5 feet 7 inches and it fits perfectly on the 2019 to 2021 Dodge Ram trucks that come with a built-in RamBox. One of the things we like the most about this cover is how simple it is to use. Around here, we're crazy about convenience and functionality. The fact that it is a soft folding truck bed cover made it ultra easy to install and even easier to operate. Setting it up took us roughly 20 minutes compared to the solid hard folding variety that takes twice the time. Don't get us wrong though, a hard tonneau cover is equally as good since it is super durable. All things considered, we would pick leather grain tonneau covers over aluminum ones any day as far as ease of installation is concerned. From a functional standpoint, the EXTANG TRIFECTA comes with dual easy lock clamps at the tailgate. They are very easy to operate and work remarkably well to keep the cover locked. All we had to do was pull down each clamp at a time before folding the cover twice and buckling it to the cap. That's it. If you need to haul bulky items, you can remove the entire bed cover and load up your truck in under 2 minutes. We particularly like that this cover is custom designed for Ram trucks that come with a RamBox on each side. The EXTANG TRIFECTA only covers bed without obstructing access to the RamBoxes. When it comes to durability, this tonneau cover is made of leather grain fabric that's completely waterproof to keep the cargo in your truck dry even in the pouring rain. All in all, we were quite impressed with the performance of the EXTANG TRIFECTA 2.0 tonneau cover for trucks with RamBox. It has a pretty sweet price point as well and is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. TruXedo Lo Pro Tonneau Cover. What can we say? We're crazy about soft roll-up covers. The TruXedo Lo Pro Tonneau Cover bed cover is another beauty we just can't get enough of. The leather green vinyl exterior has a nice matte finish, which we thought looked quite nice against our grey truck. Like the EXTANG TRIFECTA, the Lo Pro is also custom made for Dodge Ram trucks with built-in RamBoxes on either side of the bed. One of the things that stood out was the low profile design of this tonneau cover. Unlike the other covers we tested, the Lo Pro sits at a measly 0.75 inch above the truck bed. It's so low that if you stand with your eye level in a straight line to the side rails, you can barely see it. It stays concealed and sleek, which is a feature we quite liked. This cover mounts inside the truck bed rails, allowing you full access to the stake pocket holes if you need to hook up additional accessories. Installation was quite easy and took about 30 minutes from start to finish. We did not need any special tools or drilling equipment to mount it. All we did was clamp it onto the rails and we were ready to roll. All in all, we were quite pleased with this purchase. We were also happy to learn that the Lo Pro is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If that's not a stamp of approval, you're dealing with a quality product from a quality manufacturer, we don't know what is. Number 3. RetraxPRO MX Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This one's probably the best tonneau cover for RamBox on this list. There are a lot of different units, and they're mostly capable of performing nearly the same compared to what this tonneau cover can accomplish, but there isn't a single one that is as flawless as this one. As soon as I ordered this tonneau cover, I knew that I would have a reliable tool that will keep my stuff safe at all times, regardless of the weather. When it arrived, I rushed into my garage, hoping that I would completely assemble this unit in less than an hour. To my general surprise, I was able to accomplish it in less than 45 minutes. It is mind-blowing when you think about it. When it comes to mounting this unit, there is no need to use a drill to additionally tighten this tonneau cover over the truck bed of the RamBox. Most guys like to keep their vehicles as fresh as possible. Drilling holes isn't a great way to accomplish that. When I was done, I immediately tested how well it fares against lousy weather conditions. There was no issues with that either. This unit completely repels both snow and rain. It is by far the best tonneau cover for RamBox. Don't believe me? Prove me wrong by testing it out. Number 2. Gator Recoil Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. When people search for the best hard retractable tonneau cover for RamBox, they usually come across this Gator Recoil model. I'm among those people, and I decided to give this unit a shot, which proved beneficial over the years. A RamBox retractable tonneau cover needs to successfully protect your luggage whenever you decide to go on a family vacation. With solid aluminum slats, this tonneau cover will keep your cargo safe whenever you leave them in a parking lot unattended. As far as the mounting part of this unit, there was no worrying aspects. This tonneau cover arrives with everything necessary for a complete assembly. The assembly of this unit is made more manageable with a manual that helped me throughout the mounting part. There was no need for further frilling of this tonneau cover. The clamps that came with this unit are more than enough when it comes to fixing it in one place. Unfortunately, if you wish to only open half of the tonneau cover, you won't be able to do so. There is no way to stop the opening or closing of this unit, as soon as you begin to open it, it will force itself open all the way. If you don't need to expose your truck bed fully, then this tonneau cover might be the best one for you. Number 1. BAK Revolver X4s Hard Rolling Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Finding the best tonneau cover for 6.4 RamBox isn't an easy task. If you're still stuck on accomplishing that, hear me out. I recently ordered this unit, and when it arrived, I was beyond thrilled by its overall look and design. A RamBox hard tonneau cover needs to be made with aluminum slats and industrial grade vinyl, and that is exactly what I found on this unit. As soon as I mounted it on my vehicle, I realized that this tonneau cover would meet and exceed my expectations. Nowadays, most tonneau covers need to be tightened with a drill and some extra screws, but this model didn't force me to do so. It was perfectly capable of maintaining its position on the truck bed. When I turned on my vehicle after mounting this tonneau cover for the first time, I was pleasantly surprised at how well it maintained its balance. Even when I was trying to drive as fast as 80 miles per hour, this tonneau cover didn't even move an inch. The only downside I found to this unit is that several spots on the tonneau cover have a leakage problem. If you live in a place that sees minimal rain, then this might be the best RamBox tonneau cover for you. Final thoughts. If I had to decide which is the best tonneau cover for RamBox, then my vote goes to the BAK Revolver X4s. Most tonneau covers on this list do a phenomenal job protecting your cargo, but none come close to the overall abilities of this unit. It completely repels both rain and snow. You can assemble it in less than 45 minutes and there's no need for additional drilling. If you own a RamBox, don't think twice and order this tonneau cover as soon as possible. Let us know in the comments down below which tonneau cover you're going to choose. Thank you for watching the video, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.